How to create a quiz from a question bank. I have my Moodle page open where I want the quiz to appear and my editing is turned on. First of all, click Add an activity or resource and select Quiz. Click Add. There are many selections available. I will run through a few of the basic options to create a simple quiz. First of all, name your quiz. You can add a description here that can then appear on the main page if you want it to by selecting this box. The timing allows you to control access to the quiz and how long the students have to complete the quiz. I'm not going to put a time limit on this one, we're going to leave it as a simple quiz. Grade allows you to set the number of attempts a student is allowed and also to decide which grade you are going to take as the student's grade to record in the book. I'm going to leave this as it is. Layout allows you to choose how many questions you wish per screen, from a single question per page to as many questions you like. I'm going to set it to 4. In question behaviour, answers can be shuffled so they are not always displayed in the same order. Feedback can be given as the questions are answered or at the end. Review options controls what information the student sees when they review the quiz. Display controls the way grades are displayed, the number of decimal points that are used. To further control how the quiz is accessed, a password can be added under extra restrictions. You can also prevent students from immediately retaking the exam by setting a time limit and enforced delay between their attempts. Overall feedback allows you to set feedback at boundaries you define. You can add as many boundaries as you like. Common Moodle settings allow you to define groups. Restrict access allows you to add access conditions to the quiz, and activity completion allows you to determine how you track the progress. When you have completed, click Save and Display. To add questions, click Edit Quiz. Your questions from the question bank are displayed on the right. Questions can be added individually by clicking on these double arrows, or you can click multiple questions by selecting 2 at a time and clicking Add to Quiz. You can also select the whole question bank by clicking on this button. All the checkboxes are selected and you can then click on Add to Quiz. To create a new question, you can click on this button, which will take you through the normal question formation. You can also preview each question by clicking on the magnifying glass here. A pop-up menu will appear and you can answer the question and test it out. You can change the order of the questions by clicking on these arrows up and down to move the questions into different places. Once you are happy with your quiz, return to your Moodle page and your quiz is displayed. If you want to make any changes to your quiz, you need to enter into your quiz and then use the Administration button to edit the quiz.